Hello dear students, I Abhinav Negi and Dheeraj sir welcome you all on BYJU'S Exam Prep Soul Mechanical YouTube channel. Guys, we are a bit delayed. We are very sorry for that. The reason being, as at 8:30 p.m. we are about to start the session, guys. At the same time, the exam dates have been re-released. Yes, it is re-released. Earlier it was released, and again it was released. So our favorite, our expert, and our super duper fast person, Dheeraj sir, is ready with that, and he has already made the video. Okay, you can see that on 3rd of February 2024, the mechanical paper is in one shift. Okay, 3rd February, that is Saturday, that is the first day, will be mechanical exam in one shift only. And on 4th of February, it will be civil engineering. It will be in two shifts. Okay. So 3rd will be mechanical Saturday and 4th February will be civil. Only exit dates have been changed. Apart from that, more or less, that schedule is same. Okay. So your favorite, my favorite, everybody's favorite, Dheeraj sir has uploaded that. That's why we are a bit delayed. Now coming back to the session, most of you are thinking, sir, why you are not putting the light? Guys, as soon as I was about to start the session, just 30 seconds before, my lights were gone. Okay. So due to some electric fault, and I am civil engineer, Dheeraj sir is mechanical engineer, none of us is electrical engineer. So we are not able to fix it very soon. So what I thought, and Dheeraj sir has also suggested me, that my face is not that important, as important is question. So once we go to the question, questions will be clearly visible. My solutions will be visible, I guess. So that is why my face will be looking like this. It's fine, but questions will be looking super duper clear. So we'll be continuing with this session. Okay, let me tell you about this crash course, guys. This crash course, sir, mechanical का schedule है आपके पास क्या?
Sir, I don't have schedule.
Okay, guys, this schedule is there for mechanical also and civil also. By chance, sir, मैं भी मैकेनिकल वाला ही हो गया हूँ, मैं भी मैकेनिकल का ही शेड्यूल लेके आया हूँ. This is the schedule for mechanical, guys. Okay, same is the schedule for civil also. Okay, like SOM, then environment, then soil mechanics, I will be taking. Then Richa ma'am, Surat sir, and these sessions will be taken civil also. Okay, what will be this crash course? Let me tell you guys. This name, as you have seen, is a practice crash course. Here we will be selected some handpicked questions, and that questions we will be solving for every subject that will be coming in the GATE exam. Okay, so see, like today it is strength of material. Once you go with the complete session, you will not be finding that the question is not coming from torsion, sir. So you are not taken the question from SFD-BMD. You have not taken the question from thermal stresses. You have not taken the question from transformation of stresses. You have not taken the question from springs. Each and every part will be taken, and Dheeraj sir and I have sit together for 2 hours so that we can select the question so that a combined SOM can be completed. That is why it is a practice crash course. Okay, soon we'll be coming with formula and other things also. In this series, it will be practice crash course, guys. So what to the super duper? My favorite, everybody's favorite, Dheeraj sir.
Thank you, sir. So, guys, actually,
sir, I guess, sir, you can carry on now because my light is not this. So, guys, first, Dheeraj sir will be taking few questions. Then I will be coming again in this dark mode. But yes, the questions and answers will be properly there. So, first, Dheeraj sir will be taking some questions. Then I'll be coming with super duper questions, and the questions will be of GATE level, not ISRO, not BL, not other exams. It will be GATE level questions. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, guys, as the GATE notification once again came, so I got delayed, and that's why I couldn't get the schedule. But sir, I have shown you the schedule. So, without wasting the time, we will be entering into the question. Those who are preparing for ISRO, tomorrow 10:30 a.m. this session will be there. This is the second mock test I would be taking. Then, my dear Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, and guys, you can go on 6th December. Workshop will be there for GATE 25 taken by Abhinav sir. So now I am starting the session because I have less 20-25 minutes with me, because then I also have the class. So this is the first question, guys, in front of you. Yes, Anwar, good evening. So this is the first question. Two circular rods as shown in the figure below carry the same axial load P. So load is same for both. The rod A has uniform cross section and rod B has non-uniform cross section. The ratio of elongation of rod A to that of rod B. So guys, here we need to find out the ratio of delta A divided by delta B. Okay, that ratio you need to find out. So this type of question you will be getting in numerical answer type, okay, majorly, and you need to answer, fill in the blanks only that number, that ratio, okay. So just try to solve it. I will give you the hint. You already know that delta is PL by AE. So when you would be writing for road A, it is very easy to write. It is going to be PL upon AE. Here area is nothing but pi by 4 d square is there, okay. So we can say, let us say A is pi by 4 d square. And let us say if that is the case, obviously when diameter will be 2d, then area will become how much? 2d means it is going to be 4 times of A dash is 4 times of A. Okay, so we can consider like that. Now you know that length is L by 3, L by 3, L by 3 for the second bar is given. So you can do now, this is the first for A. When we are talking for B, this is the bars in series. So you can consider this is bar number 1, bar number 2, bar number 3. And you can see as P force is acting for any bar you apply method of section, the force will come equal only. Force will be P only. Okay. So when we are going to have, that's great, Rishikesh. So when we are going to have these sections 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3, you will find in all the sections the load is P. So obviously here P1 is equals to P2 is equals to P3 is equals to P. Okay. So you know that in the series deltas are going to be added. So I can say delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 for these 3 bar will be equals to, it will be equals to P1 L1 A1 E1. And then you will going to have plus P2 L2 A2 E2, P2 L2 A2 E2, and plus you would be having P3 L3 A3 E3. Now my dear, you can see that we are going to have the length is L by 3, L by 3, L by 3. Young's modulus is same for everyone. So when you would be putting this value, P by E is coming out to be common. And then you can write, even this is going to be L by 3, L by 3 is also common. So L by 3 is common, you would be having here 1 by A. Okay, this is going to be 1 by 4A plus 1 by A. Okay, plus 1 by 4A. So just you need to put this value there and you will get the answer. Anybody have solved it? Very good, very good. So Darshan have given the answer as 2. Ludwig have given 2. Rohan have given 4 by 6. Papa Ka Ghoda have given 2. So I would like to say, guys, the answer for this question is coming out to be 2 because I have already solved it. So the answer will be coming out to be 2 for this. So those who are getting some different answer must have done some mistake in calculation. Okay, so answer will be coming out to be 2. Is it clear? Any doubt for anyone? Because load will be getting cancelled out when you will be putting this value. You would be having here PL upon 3 divided by E is also there. I can take A also common. Then you would be getting 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 4. So when you would be having this, rest terms will be getting cancelled out. The answer will be coming out to be 2. Is it clear for everyone? So this is how you can find out the answer will be 2. Everybody got it? Shall we move to the second question? Yes. So moving to the question number 2, guys. This is from Mohr circle, your favorite area. I hope everybody would be giving the right answer. If anybody have any doubt, please ask me, guys. So sorry for the delay. This session delayed because gate was actually scheduled for gate was released again. So I have made that video. You can watch that in the video section after this class, and also share these sessions with your friends. So guys, we are always coming for you guys whenever a new notification comes, whenever a new exam is coming, whenever you have interviews, we are coming up with mock interviews for you. So just solve this question, guys. This is for Mohr circle and we need to find out this value sigma. You need to find out this value sigma. Okay. Yes. So my dear, it is very easy to solve. Just try this. If this is radius R, so can you see, if I want to find out this sigma, what I need to do? I just need to subtract this from radius. So if you want to find out sigma, sigma is nothing but radius minus R cos 60. That is what you need to do. And you will get the answer. They are asking you the normal and shear stresses on plane CD. So once you will get sigma, and then how you can find out tau. How you can find out tau. This is R sin 60. So tau will be R sin 60. Okay. And I feel to find out radius, they have already given you the diameter. Can you tell me the answer for this question, guys? Wonderful, wonderful, guys. So Arvind, what is the answer? Ludwig is saying D. Ludwig is saying the answer to be D. 2875 and 4980. What about others? Okay, Papa Ka Ghoda is also saying D. Very good. Arvind also saying the same. Sumit Parashar also saying the same. Wonderful, guys. बहुत ही शानदार. And the answer is D, my dear. Answer is D. What is radius? Diameter by 2. So what we have, the diameter as 11,500. Okay. So we would be having 5750 as radius. Just put this value here and here. You would be getting the value of normal and shear stress. You will be getting 2875 and 4980. Very good, guys. बहुत ही बढ़िया दर्शन, संदीप, बहुत ही शानदार. Moving to the question number 3, guys. Moving to the question number 3. And in this question, this is from compound beam, where we have beams connected in series, and you need to find out the reaction at middle support beam. So guys, how to do this type of question? You would be breaking this beam into two parts. First part of the beam will be this one. First part of the beam will be this one. First part of the beam will be this one. First part of the beam will be this one. This is 20 kilonewton. Okay. And you know, this is 20. Here, this is 20. This is the compound beam. I feel everybody know how to do this type of question. And here we are having the C point, that is internal hinge. This is D. So this is the internal hinge C. We need to find out reaction at B. I feel everybody can do this. Everybody, Darshan, Sandeep, Sumit, Ludwig. Yes, I'm giving you a hint that in such cases, we assume a support reaction here, that is RD. And we assume a support reaction here, that is RC. Because if RC is present, then only this beam can be stable, otherwise it will rotate. So that is why at C point, there is no load. So if I am putting RC upward, I have to put RC downward. And now, my dear, you know, by symmetry, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter. So by symmetry, we can very easily say that RD is 10, RC is 10. So if RC is 10, you can very easily find out RB. So this is going to be RB, this is going to be RA. Now you can solve it as RA plus RB is equals to 30 kilonewton. And you take summation moment about A to be 0. That will give you what? That will give you 10 into the distances 2 plus 2 plus 1. This is 1, 2, 2. So this is 10 creating clockwise 5. Then you know this is anti-clockwise minus RB into 4. Then plus 20 into 2 is equals to 0. This will give you the value of RB. Solve it and get the answer, guys. Solve it and get the answer. This is question number 3 for us. Yes, 3 for us. What is the answer? A, B, C or D? So Ludwig is saying D. Arvind is saying D. Sumit is saying B. Sumit, please check it. Wonderful, guys. Do like and share the session. We are going very nicely. This is the question from SFD BMD part, support reaction calculation. Very good, Sumit. Very good, Rohan Mandal. Very good, Sandeep. Sandeep, sorry. Please check it. Very good, Papa Ka Ghoda. The answer is going to be D for this, 22.5 kilonewton. So, my dear, this will be coming out to be 22.5 kilonewton. Anybody have any doubt? You can ask me. If you find I'm going slightly on the faster note, please ask me. I have given you the hint also. Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear? Fine. Very good, Dinesh Kumar. So, guys, I will take 3-4 more questions, then Abhinav sir would be joining. Question number 4, we are moving on to now. This is question number 4 from bending chapter. Question number 4 from bending chapter. What this is saying? A wire of 2 mm diameter is wound round a circular shaft of 2 meter diameter. There is a circular shaft. On this circular shaft, we are going to wound a wire like this. Okay. So when we are going to wound a wire, the wire diameter is also mentioned to you. And they have said what is the normal stress in the wire. Young's modulus is given to you. Assume no tensile pull on the wire. You know, we will be going for bending equation here. Sigma B Y max is equals to, because we want maximum bending stress, it will be E is equal E divided by R. Why? Because when we are aware of radius of neutral fiber, then we apply sigma B by Y is equals to E by R. Because R is known to us. R is the radius of neutral fiber. Okay. What would be the answer? This is very easy question, guys. So Madhu is saying the answer to be C. Papa Ka Ghoda is also saying the answer to be C. What about others? So you can directly find out the bending stress here by doing EY upon R. You know that Young's modulus is 1 into 10 ki power 5. Y is nothing but 1 mm. So into 10 power minus 3. Divided by radius. Radius is given as 2 meter. So if you want to add this 1 mm, you can also add it radius of neutral fiber. Okay, so 2 meter it is actually. Okay, so 2 meter, 2.001 meter you can do. So you would be getting the answer to be what? 100 MPa? Are we getting 100 Newton per mm square? 100 or 50? 100 or 50? Please tell me 100 or 50. Everybody is getting 100. Okay, diameter was 2 na, so radius is by 2. Okay, it should be 1.00. Yes. So answer will be 100. C would be the right answer. Very good, guys. बहुत ही बढ़िया, शानदार. Dinesh, actually, why you are getting 50? Because you kept diameter. The formula is EY by R. This is diameter 2 meter. So radius will be 1 meter. And radius of neutral fiber will be up to this. This distance is 1 mm. So 2 meter will become 1 meter. So 1 meter plus 0.001. Yes. Moving to question number 5, guys. Moving to question number 5, guys. Very good. Moving to question number 5. A beam of rectangular section is subjected to transverse load in a section where the shear stress at 1/4 of the beam. So they are talking about shear stresses in the beams. You know, this is the neutral axis. And they are saying 1/4 of the depth. This is D by 4. And this is the depth. You are also aware about the shear stress distribution. They are parabolic in nature. Like this. They have given us the shear stress value at this position. And this value they have given as 120 MPa. This is 120. And they are asking you the maximum shear stress. So you need to find out this value. Okay, this is a very good question. Okay, Arvind have given the value 240. Okay, what about others? What about others? Okay, so dear, how you have done it 240? Is it linear or parabolic relation? Is it a linear or parabolic relation? How you have done it 240? Just you have doubled it. Hey? Arey bhai, you know shear stress at any fiber EF is SAY bar upon INAB. Okay. So when we are saying that this stress is given to as 120. Okay. Shear force, whatever it is going to be S. What is this area? This is B into D by 4. Hatched area is B into D by 4. Y bar is the distance. Y bar is the distance from the neutral axis to the centroid of this. So, you know, this is D by 4 and this will be D by 8. So, this Y bar is D by 4 plus D by 8. And then INA is BD cube by 12. And that is width is B. So, when you would be solving this, I have solved it for you. You would be getting as 120 is equals to 9S by 8 BD. This you would be getting. 9S by 8 BD. This you would be getting from here. Then, my dear, you know the maximum value of shear stress is. For this case, it is 3 by 2 of tau average. Hai na? So, this is going to be 3 by 2. Tau average is S by BD. So when you would be putting this value, S by BD will be 8 into 120 by 9, you would be getting 160. So I feel now some students have given the right answer. It is not linear, you directly said 240. इतना आसान क्वेश्चन भी नहीं लेके आया था भाई. So Arvind have given the right answer. The answer for this is going to be 160 MP. Is it clear for everyone? Please tell me that. Everybody got it? Very good, Dinesh. Very good, Arvind. Rohan, बहुत बढ़िया. So guys, moving to question number 6 now. I feel this is clear to everyone. So we are covering every topic. This question is from torsion. This question is from torsion, and this is the last question from my side. Actually, I have 10 questions, but rest 4 you will get as homework because this session got delayed and I have class at 9:30. So this is the last question from my side. So you can see a shaft ABC. ABC consists of two parts, AB and BC. Length is 1.5, 1.2 and diameter 60 mm, 50 mm. The total angle of twist do not exceed 2.5. They have given you G, find out the torque. You know that theta total will be theta of AB plus theta of BC. So if I consider this to be shaft 1, this to be shaft 2. So you can write T1 L1, G1 J1, T2 L2, G2 J2. And they have already given 2.5 degrees. If you want to convert into radians, pi by 180. Because whenever we are writing theta without sine and cos, it is always in radians. So this will give you that if you take method of section, torque is T only. So T1 barabar T2 barabar T. So except T, all other things are constant and given to you. So guys, you will be getting the value of T from here. Just solve this question. And I have already solved 10 questions for you because total this session was for 20 questions. So I will be sharing you the rest question also with solution. So don't worry about that. What would be the answer for this one? What would be the answer for this one? Solve it. This is slightly lengthy, but these are the types of question coming in gate for 2 marks. Yes. So guys, in this crash course, I will be taking SOM, TOM, MD production. Okay. And those who are preparing for ISRO, tomorrow is a session of ISRO at 10:30 AM for mechanical. If anybody is preparing for BDL, day after tomorrow, the entire team will be coming for BDL previous year paper. 150 questions, 120 minutes. So we are taking care of each and every exam what you are going to appear for. So your faculties are also doing hard work for every those exam which you are going to appear. Okay, they are searching papers. With that, we are doing solutions, then coming up with you to give you the type of questions so that you can perform well in exam. Then when you qualify written, we are there to help you in interviews, to take your mocks. Then after final selection, to congratulate you. Yes. Dear Sandeep, I feel you are giving answer for previous question. Okay, I Rolex is saying C. And I feel the answer for I Rolex is correct. 1.11 kilonewton meter is the correct answer. Wonderful, guys. Yes. So here I would request Abhinav sir to join us. Hai so Abhinav sir also is going to continue this session. Sir, are you there?
Yes, sir. I am there with dark mode.
Okay, sir. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप dark mode में भी आप sun हो. So let's start.
Okay.
So guys, here I am leaving now. Abhinav sir would be taking.
Okay, thank you, sir. Guys, those who have just joined the session, let me tell you guys that when I was about to begin the session, the lights of this studio or light of my studio has been some malfunctioned. So I'll be taking this. So because guys, I guess concepts, questions, everything will be clear. My photo is not that important. Guys, there is a workshop of GATE 2025 that will be on Wednesday. Limited seats this time, 6th of December at 7:30 PM on app. Okay, so this will be on app, guys, on Wednesday. A free session with 200 seats left, 7:30 PM. Okay, It will be on app, and the scholarship test will be on 10th of December. If you want to join BYJU'S, you can give the scholarship test and get up to 90% discount. As I already showed you, this is the crash course schedule of mechanical. Same is for civil also, like civil SOM, then environment, then soil mechanics, and like this. Okay. In this crash course, as your name is practice crash course, guys, we'll be solving the questions, and these are the links. Either you can click this or click this for downloading our app. Okay. So this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir, guys. More than 5,200 students, or I guess 5,300 or 400 students have joined. You can also join there, guys. And now the questions. And guys, let me tell you, you have seen in this channel the questions of ISRO, the questions of BL, or whatever. Whenever I'm taking the questions of ISRO, I always tell that those questions are of that level only. Okay, because there the questions has to be simpler, because in 1 minute approximately you have to solve one question, but in GATE 3 minutes are there. So questions will be of GATE level here, particularly 2 marks. Okay, come on guys, hit this question. Hit this question hard. Come on. Okay, let there be a rod which is placed between 2 metal plates. Okay, this is a metal plate. Okay, this is a metal plate. Writing is visible, guys. Okay, and they cannot be moved. They cannot be moved means it is fixed. If the plates cannot be moved, it is a fix. The rod is fixed to the one plate at a distance between the rod and another plate is 0.1 mm. Now the rod is placed here, but this gap, it is fixed here, but here the gap is 0.1 mm. Here the gap is 0.1 mm, guys. Okay, the temperature of the rod is increased by 120 degrees Celsius. Delta T is increased by 120 degrees Celsius. Okay, the Young's modulus is given and the alpha is also given. Calculate the stress. First of all, guys, will the stress come? We are not sure. Let me find out the free expansion. If it is not fixed, what will be the free expansion? Free expansion will be L alpha delta T. Okay. Length is given. Where is the length? Where is the length? The metal plate cannot be moved. The rod is fixed to one plate and the distance point plate. The temperature is increased by this. Okay, the length of the rod is 300 mm. Length is given, alpha is given, delta T is given. By putting all these values, I've already done for this for you. The value you are getting as L alpha delta T is 0.36 mm. Okay, so this is 0.36 mm. Okay, so if it is free, the expansion will be 0.36 mm. 0.36 mm, but here the expansion can be only 0.1. Okay, so here some P is coming, which is putting it here. From this position, it is putting it here. So this P L by AE, okay, this is putting it here. How much distance it is putting? From here to here, that is 0.36 minus 0.1, 0.26 mm. Okay, so this P is coming and it is compressing. It is not allowing this much delta. This much delta it is not allowing. 0.1 it can happen. From 0.36, 0.1 can happen. But 0.26 cannot happen. So this P is coming in such a magnitude. This P is coming in such a magnitude that 0.26 is resisted. Okay, out of 0.36, 0.1 can happen. Now what they are asking, calculate stress. P by A, they are asking sigma L by E is equal to 0.26. This is known, L is known, Young's modulus is known. From here, guys, the sigma value you are getting, please check, 260 megapascal. 260 megapascal, that is option number B. Guys, gate level questions we will be solving here in this. Come on. Have you got it? Any doubt, my friends, guys? Any doubt? I'm again telling you guys, any doubt you can ask me. Let's move to the next question. Let me tell you guys, GATE 2024 schedule is out. GATE 2024 schedule is out just 30 minutes before. Civil engineering paper will be 4th Feb in 2 shifts. Okay, morning and forenoon shift. Oh, sorry, forenoon and afternoon shift. Okay, this is Sunday. And mechanical paper will be on 3rd of Feb. Okay, single shift. Usually, whenever the number of candidates are more, or we can say more than 70 or 80,000, then it is 2 shift. Now, let us do this question. this is gate level question, guys. This is gate level question. Here we are not doing any ISRO and anything. These are gate level questions. These are gate level. Okay, मैं अभिनव ही हूँ यार. I'm अभिनव only. I'm अभिनव only. Okay, चलो. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Okay. A metal rod of length L, but length is not fixed. It is varying with temperature. At different temperature, length is different. L is L naught, T plus T square. Okay, length is not fixed. What is calculate the deflection due to temperature change of T? Okay. So what is delta? It is L alpha delta T, correct? So D delta here, for a very small instant, the length is, because length is changing at every temperature. L naught T plus T square, this is L, into alpha into dt, correct? For capital delta, the total delta is integration of d delta from 0 to L. So integration of this L naught T plus T square, this is length, into alpha into dt. So from here L naught constant, alpha constant, T integration will be T square by 2. Okay. And here T square integration will be T cube by 3. Okay. And here again the limits will be 0 to L. Now solving this, L naught alpha will be common. Alpha L naught will be common. It will be L square by 2. Okay. And this will be L cube by 3. Okay. So it will be alpha L naught 5L square by 6. No. Else it will not be. It will not be anything. So alpha T square we can take common. The integration we have to put 0 to T. Yeah. Integration we have to put 0 to T. Okay. Integration we have to put 0 to T. 0 to T. Okay. 0 to T. So instead of L it will be T. It will be T. Okay. So if I take T square by 6 common, alpha L naught T square by 6 common. So taking T square by 6 common, it will be 3 here and it will be 2T here. So option number A. Have you understood this, guys? Give me yes or no, everybody. Give me yes or no, everybody, guys. Have you understood or not? Beautiful gate level questions will be there. Beautiful gate level questions will be there. Give me yes or no. Papa Goda, Sumit. Enjoying? Some more interesting questions. Couple of questions you will be seeing today will be totally new that you have not seen in any book. Okay, now this one. This one, I guess you can do, yeah. The correct BMD will be. The correct BMD. I guess this is the easiest question of my whole SOM PPT. Easiest. Guys, this is a hinge. So hinge of bending moment at C will be 0. Bending moment at C is equal to 0. Since C is equal to a hinge. Okay. Now what will be RB? What will be RB? So bending moment at C is equal to 0. C from right hand side. RB into L is clockwise and P into L is anti-clockwise. Okay. Is equal to 0. So RB value from here will be equal to L to L cancel P by 2. So RB value is equal to P by 2. What is the bending moment at A? C from right hand side. Upward load positive. Okay, bending moment at A, C from right hand side, P by 2 into 2L. Upward load positive. Then P, mine downward, so minus, into L plus L by 2, 1.5L. Okay, so it is PL minus PL, 1 minus 1.5. 1 minus 1.5 is minus 0.5 PL. Okay, so, kahan gaya? Okay. So see here it is minus 0.5 PL at A, PL by 2. So A cannot be there. And okay, B, C, D can be there. Okay, only A mein aapke paas PL by 4 hai. Bending moment at C is equal to 0. Okay, bending moment at B has to be 0. Okay, and what is bending moment at D? Bending moment at D from right hand side, P by 2 into L by 2. That is PL by 4. That is not PL by 2. No, not PL by 2. It is PL by 4. C option is correct. C option is correct. Give me a son. No, everybody, please put a heart sign, guys. Okay, please put a heart sign. Civil paper is on 4th of Feb on both of both ships, and mechanical is on 3rd of Feb. Guys, let me tell you, guys, everyone. Okay, this crash course will be for every subject, and in this practice will be done. Okay. Aha. Right choice. Those who have seen the AN method, Abhinav Negi method of SFD BMD, Abhinav Negi method of SFD BMD, they can solve this question just in 1 second. And guys, it's my recommendation to all of you. If you have not seen SFD BMD till now, guys, please watch that. Okay, the Abhinav Negi method, it will be written on the thumbnail. The fastest way to draw SFD BMD, because that will be helping like anything, guys. I'm not saying I don't want view. If you want, you can dislike that video. But that will be very beneficial for you. Okay. This is me only. This is me only, guys. This is me. Okay. कोई और नहीं पढ़ा रहा है. चलो 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 चलो. ओके चलो आगे चलते हैं भाई. रुकना नहीं है, फोड़ना है. ठीक है. अच्छा आगे क्या चलना है अभी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस, गाइस. In AN method, you have to go from left to right, and whenever there is a fall, shear force fall, when there is a downward point load. Okay, so here it is falling 800. So here is a downward load 800. Here is the upward load because it is jumping. Here downward load because it is falling 800 and 1200 is 2000. Here again, when you go here upward load, that is why it is jumping. Here again downward load, therefore it is fall 1000. Okay, 3800. Have you understood? Guys, more interesting questions yet to come. This is the gem of a question. Guys. I want to see who can do this. Guys. Everybody on the comment box, please tell me. Chalo. What they are saying, that I section beam as shown in the figure is so designed that the extreme fiber stress are in the ratio of 4:3. Where will be 4? Above or below? Can you please write down in the comment box where it will be 4? Dinesh, Arvind, Madhu, Rohan, Papa Sahab, where it will, Sumit Parashar, where it will be 4? Above or below? 4:3, na? Where it will be 4? The width B will be, guys, the axis, neutral axis is the centroidal axis. Here it is a bigger thing. Okay, B is less than, it is smaller. So neutral axis always centroid. Centroid will be bottom, na? Centroid will be near the bottom, na? Centroid will be near the bottom, na? Centroid will be near the bottom. Okay? Centroid will be near the bottom. Okay, so it will be 4 and it will be 3. 4 alpha or 3 alpha, I can write 4 into 3. Have you understood? Not understood. I am again saying. Guys, please see that neutral axis passes through centroid. There is a larger area at the bottom. So larger area at the bottom, so centroid will be at the bottom. And once centroid will be at the bottom, na, so this stress will be smaller and this will be bigger. It is 4, it will be 3. 4 alpha and 3 alpha. Have you understood? Okay. Now let this distance be x. So this will be 30 minus x. Okay. So from similar triangle, x upon 30 minus x is equal to 4 by 3. Similar triangle concept, x by 30 minus x will be equal to 4 by 3. So from here, I have already calculated the value of x. X is equal to 17.143. X is equal to 17.143. So this value of neutral axis will be 17.143 and the bottom value is 12.837. Bottom is 12.837. Now, guys, from similar concept, similar triangle concept, I can find the stress here also. What is the stress here? Sigma. And I can find out the stress here also. Let this be sigma dash. What will be sigma? Now, sigma by 4 from similar triangle concept will be this distance. So this is totally 17.143 minus 5. 17.143 minus 5 divided by, this 17.143 minus 5 divided by 17.143. I hope you understood. Sigma is at this total distance 17.143. So this will be 17.143 minus 5. And 4 is at this distance. From here, find the value of sigma. So sigma value you will be getting as 2.83. 2.83. Similarly, this sigma dash can be found out. Similarly, the sigma dash value is 1.83. How you will find sigma dash? I'm again telling. Sigma dash upon 3. So sigma dash is at this much distance. This total is 12.837. Na? So 12.837 minus 5. 12.837 minus 5. And this 3 is at 12.837. So from here, find sigma dash. We have to find B. We have to find B. Okay, till here, any doubt, guys? Please let me know. Madhu, Dinesh, everyone. Any doubt till now? Now what we have to do? We have to do now compression is equal to tension. So what is the compression here? This B into 5, this is the area. And in this area, the stress here is 4, here is sigma. So average stress is 4 plus sigma by 2. Plus, now this area of compression. So here the stress is sigma here, and here it is 0. So sigma plus 0 by 2 into stress into area. What is area? 5 into this distance. So 5 into this 5, and what is this distance? 17.143 minus 5. 17.143 minus 5. This is compression. And what is tension? This 20 into 5. 20 into 5 area. 20 into 5, and here the stress will be, here it is sigma dash, and here it is 3. Sigma dash and 3. So it is sigma dash plus 3 by 2, plus this small area. This small area is 5 into what is this area? 12.837 minus 5. 12.837 minus 5. This area, what is the stress? Here it is 0, and here sigma dash. 0 plus sigma dash by 2. From here, the value of B, you will be getting as 11 point. This is the 2-mark question of GATE, guys. This is the 2-mark question of GATE. Have you understood? Have you understood, guys? Please tell me. Please tell me, everyone. Any doubt? Keep sharing, guys. Keep sharing, everyone. Come on, come on, come on. Next. Aha. Guys, a new question. Let me tell you, this is a new question for all of you. New question in the market. Okay, I am quite sure you have not seen this. You have seen the questions when I have also did those questions that wire is put over a drum. What is the stress? Hai na? This wire is put over the drum. So what is the stress? So radius of wire is equal to radius of drum. That thing you have done, na? That thing you have done, na? So this is a new type of question, not that one. Okay, that also many times we have done. See what is here. A thin ruler like this, having length how much? 30 centimeter. Okay, and the cross-sectional area will be, this is 0.05 centimeter and this is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So this is bent like this. and this is bent like this such that this angle is 30 degrees, 60 degrees. This question you have not done, correct na? Please tell me. Always the question you have done, the radius is given. Here it is 60 degree, correct? Correct. Give me yes or no in the comment box, yaar. Come on. Give me yes or no in the comment box. Everyone. Everyone. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Please. Please. Beautiful question, guys. Beautiful question. Now see here. The maximum stress will be, guys, sigma by y is equal to m by I. M is not given. E by r. So sigma is equal to E by r into y. Correct na? Sigma max is equal to E by r into y max na. So what is E? E is given, and y max is this. This is y max. Okay, 2.5 by 2. Or if in millimeter, this is in centimeter. In millimeters is 25 by 2. So 12.5 mm. So E is known, Y max is known. E is known, Y max is known, R. R is remaining. Now, what is the value of R? Let me tell you guys. This is theta na. So theta is equal to length by R. So from here, R is equal to L theta. But theta here is in radian. Okay, so L is, if I want millimeter, 300 mm. And theta is in radian 60 degree. So in radian it is pi by 180. Okay, in radian it is pi by 180. Correct? So put that R here and get the answer. Put that R here and get the answer. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Have you understood? Hardly Shukla, that I already told you that just I was about to begin this session. That time the light has disconnected. So we were having option that I can disconnect, I can postpone this session, but I guess my face is not as important now. My face is not as important as the questions. Questions are clearly visible. Questions are clearly visible, guys. Questions are clearly visible. Okay. Questions are clearly visible. So I guess let's carry on with the session. No need to cancel. Okay. Now, this one beauty question. A carpenter glues a pair of cylindrical wood logs. This is one, log 1. This is log 2. This is log 1. Okay. And this is log 2. Oh, not this color. Let me take this. Okay. They are joined. And the glue is put. There are two different things. And the glue is put. This glue is green. Glue is put here. Now failure will be, of course, the maximum chance of the failure will be from glue only. Maximum chance of failure will be from glue only. Correct? Maximum chance of failure will be from glue only. Correct? Now, glue will fail if the maximum normal stress exceeds 3.5. In that glue, if the stress is 3.5, it is fail. Or if the shear stress is 1.5 in either direction, it is fail. So any case it is failing. In any case it is failing. Please check. This specimen will resist. Ye jinda bachega, it will survive or not. Please check. Please check this will survive or not. Everyone. This will survive or not. Okay. Now guys, we can think it like this. Sigma x is equal to 4 and sigma y is not given. and tau is also not given. So we can find out sigma x dash at 30-degree angle from the formula. Sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus sigma x minus sigma y by 2 plus tau xy cos 2 theta. That value you can find out. Okay. And you can find similarly found out tau x dash y dash also. You can find that value is coming 3. Similarly, find tau x dash y dash at 30-degree from the formula sigma x minus sigma y by 2 sin 2 theta and tau xy cos 2 theta, that formula. It is coming something 1.3. Okay. It is coming 1.7. So stress is 3. So it is not failing in criteria 1 because it is 3. It can resist up to 3.5. It can resist up to 3.5. It is not failing. But here in 3 it will fail. And shear stress is 1.7, but it can resist only 1.5. So it is failing only in criteria 2. In criteria 1 it is not failing. In criteria 1 it is not failing. Have you understood? Have you understood, guys? Come on! Okay. This one, nice question. Again a nice question. What you have to find out, what will be the shear stress tau in this thin? Okay. This is a thin assembly. Now I want to see that who can do this. I want to see that who can do this question. This is a thin. I hope you remember the area mean concept. Area mean concept. You remember that? Not, let me tell you. What is that concept? That shear stress is equal to T by 2am and it is constant throughout the section. Here, 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 at circumference or anywhere it is constant, but only for thin. Only for thin. What is T? What is T? 10 into 10 की power 3, 2 into AM. AM is the mean area. AM is this mean area. This. What is AM? Okay, what is this area? Tell me, first of all. AM is the mean area. So these will be two circles. Sorry, two half circles. So it is pi r square. Pi into 50 square. Correct? Pi into 50 square. And this is a rectangle. So 2 into B. This B is, sorry, this is B into this. This is diameter. B into 2r. Okay. So this is half circle, complete circle, pi r square. This is B and this is 2r. R by 2, sorry, R and R. So this AM is coming to be, I have calculated 17850. Please check. If I put here 17850, please check. If you are putting it 17850, the value is coming 35 megapascal. 35 megapascal, that is B option. Give me yes or no. Sorry, this is, let it 65. Give me yes or no, everyone. Understood? Okay. Now, going here. A closed coil helical spring. This homework, please put the answer in the comment section. This is the last question. Find the stiffness. Guys, delta is equal to 32p square into r cube into n into GD4. What is, this is a closed coil spring. N is the number of turns. N is number of turns. R is this thing from here to here. D is the thickness of this wire. P is this, R is this, N is number of turns, G is the shear modulus, and D is this. Okay, everything I explained. Now from Castiglione's theorem, this is, sorry, strain energy. Castiglione's theorem, deflection is del U by del P. So differentiating it with P, 64P R cube into N into GD4. Okay, So what is stiffness? P by delta. So P by delta is GD4 P by delta. GD4 64 R cube into N. So what is the value coming? Every value is given, na? Every value GD 64 R cube and every value is given. You will be getting it as 3.41. And stiffness will be in Newton per mm, na? Stiffness unit will be Newton per mm. Have you got it? Have you got it? Okay. So guys, this was this, and scholarship test is on 10th of December, where you can give the test and get up to 90% discount. And this is the workshop that I will be taking at 7:30 p.m. on 6th of December, that is Wednesday. This will be on app. This will be free of cost. I guess 200 or something seats are left. Okay, free of cost on app, Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. The complete workshop, the complete roadmap for the GATE 2025. This is the schedule of mechanical, guys. Same it is civil also. Civil I forgot to take. SOM, then environment, then soil mechanics, and then some other subjects also. This is the first week only. We are coming with more such weeks. Guys, in the description box of every video of this channel, there are links available where you can download the app for free of cost. Okay, guys, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. Now, please tell me, guys, any feedback that we can improve something in this crash course? Tell me, guys, anything we can improve in this crash course, more number of questions, less number of questions, anything you want to say, you can say me, guys. Have you enjoyed? Have you enjoyed, guys? Anything you want to ask me, I'm more than happy to take care of your doubts and your suggestions. Okay, let me again tell. The mechanical paper, mechanical GATE 2024 is on 3rd of Feb. Dheeraj sir has already made the video in one shift. Single shift. And civil is on 4th Feb. Sunday. Okay, in forenoon and afternoon shift. Earlier also the dates have been come, but GATE has postponed. GATE has removed those dates and new dates have been come today, and that might be due to some clashing of the second paper. Okay, XZ paper is changed, otherwise everything is same. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Take care. Thank you all. Thank you, guys. Take care. Thank you. Thank you.